In finance, you come across with two principles related to interest payments. One is simple interest and the second principle is compound interest. In case of simple interest, interest is paid only on the principal amount. Whereas in case of a compound interest, interest is paid on the principal amount plus interest earned during the year. That means in compound interest, interest is paid on interest also. Now I show you how to calculate the interest amount in a simple interest as well as in a compound interest, and also differentiate between the interest amounts earned in the simple interest and in compound interest. The formula that you need to calculate simple interest is P into I into N. P is the principal amount and I is rate of interest and N is the number of periods. And to get the total amount, that is present value, the amount invested plus interest amount. This part is interest earned and this is the principal amount, where I is interest rate and N is number of periods. And in case of compound interest, so the interest amount is calculated as the factor, that is a future, we call this as a future value factor. This equals to 1 plus I to the power of N. And to get a total amount, this equals to present value times 1 plus I to the power of N. So this we call as a future value factor, and this is your principal amount. And the same I indicates the interest rate and N is the number of periods. Now suppose you invested rupees 10,000 for 5 years at interest rate of 10%. Now what is your amount at the end of 5 years in case of a simple interest and compound interest? Now first we calculate for simple interest. Interest amount is P into I into N. This is 10,000 into interest rate is 10%. So we take it decimals 0.10 and this into 5 years. So this comes to 10,000 into 0.1 into 5. So your interest amount is rupees 5,000 and total amount, this equals to present value plus interest amount. Present value is 10,000 plus interest amount of 5,000. So 15,000 is the total amount. Now we calculate for the compound interest. So in compound interest we calculate directly. So that is present value into 1 plus I to the power of N. So this equals to present value is 10,000 into 1 plus interest rate is 10%, that is a 0.10 raised to the power of 5 years. So this equals to 10,000 into 1.6105. So this is rupees 16,105. So in case of a simple interest, you earned interest as a 5,000, whereas here the interest in compound interest, the interest amount is 6,105. So the total amount you earned here is a 15,000, whereas total amount you earned here is 16,105. So the difference of interest between compound interest and simple interest is, in case of a compound interest, this is 6,105, and in simple interest this is 5,000. So the additional 1,105 is the interest on interest. That means during the 5 years, whatever the interest amount that you earned, that re-earned you additional 1,105 rupees. Thank you.